Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So it's another one of those vlogs. It's a league night, and actually decided to remembered to make the intro before I left. So here we go. It's Monday night. It's September 13th, I believe. I could be wrong on that, but I'm feeling a ton better. I can actually throw a ball. I feel like I have strength in myself again, and I get to rep CTD today. So I'm gonna head over to the bowling alley, and we're just gonna have some fun today. I'm gonna probably start out with the geek, and it's just, you know, normal house shot, see who we're up against. Hopefully we're not bowling ourselves, because that's never so fun. So see you guys there. By the way, in case you haven't noticed, the quality might be a little different on this video, simply because I'm using a proper camera. I went back to using my GoPro Hero 7, and I'm gonna see how it does tonight. I have been just using my phone, and it is good, but it could be better. The quality cuts out sometimes when I'm recording, and I don't know. I think that this might just be a better option until I get a real camera, and I have a couple ideas. Probably won't get that till a couple months, because I don't make a whole lot, but we'll get there. Speaking of getting there, to the bowling alley.
That almost carried. Subscribe to my OnlyFans. Chancey. Yeah. Move it that way. So, this is your first time this season bowling. How do you feel?
It's always rough on the first one.
Pretty rough.
Pretty rough. What was your first game?
A 155.
Okay. You're already improving from that. You're sitting at 106. Going off of 2 strikes. You'll be fine. What's the main issue that you're having?
I suck.
That's not a real issue.
I haven't picked up ball in 6 months.
That's a big one. You're dealing with a knee injury.
Yeah.
So what happened to your knee?
I race quads.
He races quads.
Yeah, I didn't make it jump real well.
But you came out alive, so that's something.
Yeah, I guess you put it that way.
I know he is.
Chancey, can you provide an update for game 2?
I did a lot better.
What'd you do game 2?
198.
It was a 198. It was a much better game than your first one. How's the pain rating?
It's getting up there a little bit more.
It's going to take a little bit to build up strength in that. But I got to shift it over to the guy to my left because he just hurt himself. Joe, what'd you do?
Well, they designed a bowling ball to have 3 fingers in it. It's real disastrous when one of them doesn't come out of the ball.
It does. So Joe threw his ball and his thumb decided to stay in the ball as he let go of it. That's a no-no. His thumbnail broke off at an angle and it's somewhere down the lane. We have no idea where it's at. Yeah, it's
down the lane.
It's down the lane. Obstacle on board. Maybe move lanes because of it. We'll see. All right, so little recap for the end of the night. I finally made it home after bowling, and today was a decent night. It was better than last week, or well, 2 weeks ago, and there were many reasons for that. One, I felt a lot more comfortable up in the lane, and I had, I'd say, probably the best overall game that I've had in a long time. And I just felt like I could place the ball exactly where I needed to. But then we come to the other part where I did struggle on a few easy spares. I missed 2 10 pins and I left a pocket 710, not an easy spare, but just that kind of reaction tonight wasn't what I needed. But I ended up shooting 652. I went 222, 210, 220, and I'm okay with that. I'm happy. That's close to what I've wanted, was a 220 average. It was very close, which would move me up to probably like a 208, 207, 208 average after my first night. And I'm just excited to see how the rest of the season's going to go now. I feel comfortable. I threw the Geek the first game, and it did pretty well. It became a little too much by the end of that one, so I threw the Holy Knight the second game. Blended out the lane a lot better than the Geek was doing, and ended up going through the pins pretty well. I opened in the 10th of that game, which cost me, another 220 or 230 even. But then third game came around and I switched to my money ball, the Athena, and it was awesome. I didn't open that game. It just wasn't meant to be. I wasn't meant to get that 660 today. I did well today, and I'm very happy with how I did. And I can't wait till next week. I'm gonna go inside now and chill out, enjoy the rest of my evening, and you guys should enjoy the rest of yours. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, any of the shots that you've seen, comment and say that was a weird style. And then like, comment, subscribe. I will greatly appreciate that anytime you do, and I love all the support that I've been getting. I'm almost at 150, and that's the next goal, and then we're just going to keep going higher from there. But I will see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. See you.